Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can delete your Fortnite account. By Fortnite account, if you guys do not know, Fortnite is created by Epic Games. And if you guys have Epic Games account, then you can play Fortnite because for Fortnite, you don't have to create a separate account. For people who have Epic Games account, with that Epic Games account, you can play Fortnite because Fortnite is under Epic Games, alright? So by deleting your Fortnite account, you mean you guys are gonna be deleting your Epic Games account. So remember, once you delete your Epic Games account, not just your Fortnite, if any other game which is linked with Fortnite is under that account, it's also gonna be deleted. So you need to keep that in mind. You cannot just only delete Fortnite, alright? So you need to delete your Epic Games account. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to write Epic Games account. Once you search for Epic Games account, you want to click on sign into your Epic Games account over here. It's going to take you to the website where you guys can sign in into your Epic Games account. But I have already signed in into my Epic Games account, so it's not going to ask me to log in into my account. It's going to straight up bring me over here. But if you guys have not yet logged in into Epic Games account, it's going to ask you to log in first. Once you log in and come to this website, you want to make sure you're on general. Once you're on general, you don't have to do anything. Just scroll all the way down over here. Here's going to be delete account. And remember this, click request account deletion to start the process of permanently deleting your Epic Games account, including all the personal information, purchase, game progress, in-game content, and Unreal project, which means anything you purchased in-game will also be lost. But you guys have 14 days time period. If within that 14 days you want to recover your account, you can, reactivate your account by relogging into it. If you don't, you can leave your account for 14 days. It'll automatically be deleted. So click on request account deletion. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the deleting page. Over here, you need to enter your security code. So verification code is going to be sent to your email. You got to open your email and type that verification code. So I'm going to open that email, type the verification code. If you don't receive the code, you can click on resend security code and Epic Games will resend the code to you. I'm going to enter over here my code. So my code is 661743. All right. And after clicking confirm delete request, the request will be sent to Epic Games. Under 14 days, my account will be deleted. But I don't want to delete it right now, so I'm not going to send a request. But if you want to, you have to click on confirm delete request after typing the security code. So yeah, that's how simple it is to delete your Fortnite account. And remember, this other thing which is also linked with your account called Epic Games will also be deleted. So be prepared for that. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step. See you guys next time.